Hello, my name is Ian Rawlinson and I am Programme Leader for the MA and MFA Fine Art courses at Manchester School of Art. I've worked at the school for over 20 years, supervising PhD students and teaching studio practice programmes to postgraduate students. My own research interests include the languages of power, the cultural materials generated by industrial legacies, and sublime aesthetics. I have a 30-year career as a practicing artist, having made 14 solo exhibitions and contributed to over 50 group shows in the last 10 years in the UK, Europe and internationally. Okay, so now I'll tell you more about the programme. The MA MFA Fine Art course is a high-quality studio practice programme, supporting a diverse range of individual students' practices who work across different mediums, materials and intellectual positions, the broadest spectrum of contemporary art practice. The diverse positions this brings together in a peer group setting and the studio culture that develops from that is a key strength of the programme. The course is taught by professional practicing artists, including myself, Sutapa Biswas and David Osbaldeston. We provide a rich diet of inspiration for the students through group discussion and individual mentoring. We challenge students to open up their working approaches, to deconstruct and analyse their existing methods, and to build a substantial body of independent work. The curriculum is designed to include student interests, and in the second practice unit, we invite the peer group to take charge of the reading lists and content of our studio seminar programme. We are connected to professional networks in the UK and internationally. We organise a biannual graduate exhibition at Castlefield Gallery, selected by gallery curators and only open to our alumni. We staged our last MA MFA show at Home, the Art Centre in Manchester. Our talks programme, organised in collaboration with Whitworth Art Gallery, brings leading artists, curators and thinkers from around the world to discuss their work and has included Luke Tymans, Douglas Gordon, Sonia Boyce, Sharon Lockhart, Jeremy Deller, and the most recent visitors to our studios have been Elizabeth Price and Jake Chapman. Our alumni go on to be practicing artists. For example, recent graduate Omid Asadi was commissioned for the Pro Forma Pavilion at the 58th Venice Biennale in 2019. From the same year group, Willow Rowlands has had 2 of her works selected for the European Media Art Festival in Osnabrück. Our graduates also go on to pursue higher research through PhD studies, here at MMU and further afield, including 2019 graduate Joe Hancock, who is now a doctoral candidate at Nottingham Trent University, and 2018 graduate Etisam Azar, now doing his PhD at the University of Melbourne. Studio practice and the discourses of contemporary art are at the heart of what we do.